Are you ready to sell your home but worried about how it looks? Here's a game-changing tip. First impressions matter. At TidyTex Home Cleaning, we understand that a sparkling, clean home can be the hero of your sale. As a veteran-owned service in San Antonio, we specialize in prepping homes for showings. Realtors, listen up. Our professional cleaning services not only help your listings shine, but also close deals faster. Imagine potential buyers walking into a pristine space that feels warm and inviting. With quick turnarounds and meticulous attention to detail, we ensure your home is ready for open houses or buyer visits. Here's a tidy tip for realtors. Open all the blinds and turn on the lights before a showing. This simple act brightens up the space and highlights its best features, making it more appealing. Don't let a cluttered or dusty environment sabotage your sale. Choose TidyTex to elevate your property's first impression. Remember, a clean home sells faster. Check the video description for more details, including our website, phone number, and email. Contact us today and let's make your listings shine.